So guys, for the first method, you want to turn on Wi-Fi using your keyboard. You want to look down on your keyboard and then look for a Wi-Fi or airplane mode key. If you have one of those, you want to click on it. This should now hopefully turn on the Wi-Fi for you, and this should now fix your problem. For the second method, if we look on the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the Wi-Fi icon right here. For me it's going to be the Ethernet cable, but for you it's going to be Wi-Fi. You want to click on this. Now when this comes up, make sure that you have your Wi-Fi turned on and that you have the correct Wi-Fi selected. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. And then this should now fix your problem.